My name is Tara. My pronouns are she, her, hers. I used to be a counselor at Flathead Lutheran Bible Camp, so you might recognize me from there, or you might recognize me because I'm Savannah Phelan's little sister. So I am here today to help you with the snack for day 5 for Japan. And today we are going to make something called Dorayaki, which is kind of like a pancake, a Japanese pancake, and usually it's made with anko, which is like a red bean paste. And so you take the 2 pancakes and put the paste in between, and then kind of make a sandwich out of it. It's a traditional Japanese dessert. Unfortunately, I do not have the anko part, but I'm gonna show you how to make the dorayaki, the pancake part, the kind of sandwich part. So let's start with the ingredients. So first things first, you're going to just need a medium-sized bowl and a whisk. And then you're gonna need a griddle, or whatever your family uses to make like pancakes at home, just use that. That'll probably be good enough. For the food, you're gonna need 2 large eggs. Here's our eggs, some sugar, flour, baking soda, some milk or water. You can use one or the other. And then just some spray for the frying. Okay, so I just finished washing my hands, which everyone should go do before you start cooking. The first thing that we're gonna do is you're gonna take the eggs. You're gonna take 2 large eggs and crack them into the medium-sized bowl. Okay, now you're going to do 2/3 cups of sugar. And whisk it all up. Kind of look like that, just kind of like a weird paste. Now you're gonna take a something small, it can even be a cup. I'm just gonna use this little bowl, and you're going to dissolve the baking soda in the water or milk. So we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of your liquid. I'm gonna use milk. Then get my baking soda. For the baking soda, we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon. Teaspoon, put that in the milk. And then you can kind of stir it around. You just want the baking soda to dissolve into the liquid. Okay, so once it's dissolved, you are going to add it to this egg and sugar mixture that you already made. And then whisk that up together. Take your flour, so you're just going to take 1 cup of flour, and you're going to gradually put it into this mixture and whisk it at the same time. So I'm going to put a little bit in there, and then I'm going to whisk it gently so it's all kind of mixed up, and then add a little bit more. You can even do it at the same time. All right, it will look something like this. Yum. Okay, so I changed the angle a little bit so you can see it better. So I just have my griddle here. I set it to medium-high heat, so it's about 350, but it's really, really hot, so be really careful during this part. And then I just sprayed it so that the batter doesn't stick. So what we are going to do is you're just gonna take a scoop. I'm just using a spoon. Take a scoop of the batter. part gets a little bit messy, but we'll try our best. So get a scoop of the batter and then just make a little circle size cake. And it says to be about the size of a silver dollar, so not very big. It won't be perfect. Okay. There we go. Okay, then you're going to just wait for a little bit and wait until it starts bubbling up top, and you can see kind of on the other side that it's getting a little bit toasty on the other side. Okay, so I can see now that it's starting to bubble up top and it's getting a little bit toasty on the bottom. So I'm gonna take a spatula. I am also using just a little, like a pie thing, because that's working better for me, but you can use a spatula if you would like. So you're just gonna scoop and flip it over and do the other side as well. And so just keep putting batter on there until you're completely out of batter. Just make as many as you can. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I made a bunch of dorayaki. And as I mentioned before, you can take 2 pieces, and then if you did make the anko bean paste, you can put it in between two pieces and then eat it, and that is the snack. I didn't have that, so I just put jelly because I wanted to do it. So let's try it. Pretty dang good. I don't know about you guys, but these things are pretty good. I think I'm gonna be snacking on them for the rest of the day. Thanks for coming to snack time with me and making dorayaki, a traditional Japanese dessert.